So I've been meaning to make this oil for you for a very long time, but I wanted to make sure that it was working the way I wanted it to work before I shared it with you. I suffer from migraines, I suffer from hay fever and sinusitis, and I'm telling you, right now I am congestion free. I don't have any congestion, but before I did this video, I was so stuffed up, and I wish I had done the video before I actually applied the treatment to these areas. So I applied the treatment to these areas, massage it in, and then I did my temple as well because I was having a migraine there, and hair as well. And I am telling you, I have 100% relief. It's not hurting anymore. I don't feel any tension, and my nasal cavity is so not congested anymore. All right, so let's see what I've done. I am going to show you how I created this beautiful oil that will help with inflammation, sinusitis, hay fever, migraines, aches and pains, toothache, anything that's making you feel a little bit uncomfortable. This oil will help in assisting in that. One thing I forgot to mention about this oil as well, it's very good for premature grays. As you know, cloves, you've got clove shampoo that helps to darken the hair. It supports the melanin production, but it also restores your hair loss. So if you're losing hair and you're having like problems like alopecia or baldness in areas that you don't want, you can use this oil as a hair treatment. Because of the antifungal, antibacterial, and the antiseptic properties of using clove, it tends to kill germs and it tends to kill anything that's not good for you. So here is the oil that I made on the 14th of the 1st, 2021. This was the first time I ever made this oil, and I'm telling you, it worked for toothache. My daughter's having her wisdom tooth through. It worked for that. It works for any cuts or bites on the tongue or on the cheek. It works for little scars, little cuts. It works for migraine, sinusitis. It works for a lot of different things. So you use this and tell me what works for you in the box below. All right? So we're gonna blend it up. Actually, we're gonna grind it up. So I'm using a grinder. Just don't watch my nails, all right? I'm due to get my nails done and I just can't be bothered to get it done. Anyways, we're gonna grind our clove up and make sure you grind it into a powder form. You want it to be nice and powdery so the oil can absorb everything from the clove. All right, you can, if you don't have that method to make it into a powdery form, then just beat it. If you want to beat it in a pestle and mortar, yeah, that will work too. So after you finish grinding up your clove, then we're gonna actually use the coconut oil. I don't want to heat this up, I just want to warm it. So I'm just gonna warm the coconut oil that it can melt, that I can pour it into my container where I'm gonna store my clove powder, and I'm gonna store this for around 9 weeks. I want to get the full benefit from the clove and the full benefit from the cold compressed coconut oil. Remember, coconut is for healing and clove is antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial as well. And it also is a wound healing ingredient. And coconut does the same thing. So two of them together, we can't go wrong. All right, so after I grind up my clove, I'm gonna store it into this cute little jar. Remember, I did tell you no, my tripod breaks, so I only have one hand using where I can do all of these movements, right? So I'm doing really good. So anyways, you get the powder content into your jar, then you're gonna add.
All this time I've been feeling hopeless till you came around.
Add the coconut oil to your clove powder, and then you're going to label it. All right, you're gonna label it, and if it was warm, if the oil was too warm, you let it cool down first before you put the lid on. But you're going to label your jar and date your jar. You need to do that. All right, and you're gonna put it on the jar, put it into a dark cupboard or a dark area, or you can wrap it with foil paper and cling film, not cling film, sorry, brown paper, and store it away for 9 weeks, right? When you've done this, please come back to this video and comment in the box below, because I guarantee you're gonna come and tell me that you use it for magic or something else. Oh yes, this can be spiritual as well, don't get me wrong, but you're gonna come back and let me know that this clove oil did this and I did not know it could do that. So let us try this together as a little, team. Let's work together. Do your clove oil, let it stay for 9 weeks. Come back to this video and let me know how it worked for you. All right, so here you have it. I've done my little demonstration for you guys, and I'm telling you, this has been working for me, no doubt. And the pain, I can control my pain because I use things like this to help make me feel more holistically healthy, instead of going every minute to the doctors. Right, so this is the one I've done from January, and you can see the color, it's gone like a brownie color, which is amazing. So we're gonna use this for anything like dental or abrasion of the skin, even for your hair. If you've got like sore spots in your hair or even ringworm in your head, you can use this clove oil to get rid of anything, dandruff, any issues of the scalp or skin. And if you do suffer from like psoriasis or eczema, this is good for you to apply. Like you could mix them in your lotion and add it on, or you could just apply it to your body after you've showered, or you could shower, put it on, and then shower after. So it's got like a nice mild soothing effect on you. Okay, if you do enjoy this video, please give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, turn your notification bell on, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. Share is caring. All right, and come back for more. Oh, before I go, I'd like to say thank you all for 300 subscribers. I wouldn't have done it without you lot. I want to take this time to show you how much I appreciate, love you, and I'll continue to share videos just like this that will make a difference for each individual out there, as it's making a difference for me. All right, with that said, I'll see you soon.